Struggling with math homework and tired of staring at equations that make absolutely no sense? Then you've probably seen Cymath online already, because in 2026, it's still one of the most popular AI math solver tools for students. And in this video, I'm giving you an honest review of whether it's actually worth using or just another homework app that gives quick answers without really helping you learn. So first of all, Cymath is an AI-powered math-solving website and mobile app designed to help students solve math problems step by step. Instead of only giving the final answer, the platform breaks problems down into smaller steps so users can understand how the solution works. The tool supports subjects like algebra, calculus, trigonometry, logarithms, graphing, equations, and more. One of the biggest reasons students like Cymath is because it's extremely simple to use. You can either type the math problem manually into the search box or scan the equation directly using your phone camera through the mobile app. After that, the AI instantly generates a solution along with step-by-step explanations showing how the answer was calculated. Many students online say this saves them a huge amount of time during homework and exam preparation because they no longer need to search through long YouTube videos or confusing textbooks just to solve one problem. Another feature users really like is the graphing support. Cymath can display graphs for equations, which helps visual learners understand math concepts more easily. The platform is also praised for being beginner-friendly because the interface is clean, simple, and not overloaded with complicated tools. According to many reviews online, one of the best things about Cymath is that it makes difficult math feel less intimidating for students who struggle with traditional classroom explanations. Some users even compare it to having a personal math tutor available anytime on your phone. But of course, the platform is not perfect. Some users mention that while the app is excellent for quick homework help, the explanations for advanced problems can sometimes feel too basic or not detailed enough for deeper learning. Others complain that some useful features are locked behind the paid subscription, and the free version may include ads or limited access to full solutions. A few users also warn that relying too heavily on apps like Cymath can become a problem if students only copy answers without understanding the steps. Another common opinion online is that while Cymath works very well for standard math problems, extremely advanced or unusual questions may still require a teacher or more specialized software. Overall, though, user reactions in 2026 are mostly positive because Cymath makes solving math problems dramatically faster and easier for everyday students. So my honest opinion is this: if you're a student who struggles with math homework, wants faster explanations, or needs quick step-by-step solutions for studying, Cymath is honestly one of the best AI math helper tools you can use right now. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and very useful for practicing and understanding math concepts, especially for high school and early college students. And if this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite AI study tool in 2026.